With the holidays just around the corner, you might have started thinking about how to decorate your Christmas tree this year. So have we. In this short video, we're going to show you 3 different ways of how to hang your Christmas lights on your tree. Some of these might surprise you. For this demonstration, we'll be using a very standard artificial 6-foot tree. And of course, we'll be adorning it with our beautiful 5mm mini lights. This is the ROCKEFELLER. It's a multicolor string light with a pure white twinkle. Let's begin with the method that most of us are familiar with, wrapping our lights horizontally, starting from the bottom, working our way to the top, laying our lights on each branch. Now, although this is the easiest way to wrap the tree, it doesn't distribute the lights very well, and we were only able to put 2 strings of lights on our tree. Next, let's use the NOEL, which is a green, red, and warm white combination. We'll use the NOEL to adorn our tree in a branch wrap style. We wrap each individual branch starting from the base, working our way towards the ends. We're more so weaving the line in between the branch, making sure we're not clumping it together, but also making sure we're getting proper distribution on each individual branch. We move from branch to branch as close to the trunk as possible, mitigating the amount of stray lines we have between our limbs. More lights are able to fit on the tree using this method. We were able to fit 6 strands. The process is long, tedious, but the results are definitely worth it. For our final method, we'll be using the MODERNIST, which is a fuchsia, teal, and warm white combination. And we decided to wrap this last tree vertically, starting from the bottom, making our way to the top and hooking our lines around the top of the tree. One issue wrapping your tree in this way is that your lights will not be evenly distributed. Naturally, more lights will be near the top of the tree rather than the bottom. However, it was very easy to decorate our tree using this method, and we were able to fit 6 strands of lights on our tree, making it look very full. So, which method would you use? Would you wrap your lights horizontally, using a branch wrap, or vertically? Be sure to comment your suggestions below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all new video releases.